Hey everyone, today we're exploring how ChatGPT can help you plan exciting outdoor adventures and suggest unique activities tailored just for you. Whether you're into thrilling hikes, relaxed camping, or discovering hidden gems, well, ChatGPT can offer insights you might not expect from an AI. So if you're ready to make the most out of your time outdoors, stick around. And as always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to make your adventures even better. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off by getting ChatGPT to generate activity ideas based on different seasons. You know how certain seasons bring unique outdoor possibilities, right? Like snowshoeing in the winter or beach volleyball in the summer. Now I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to suggest some creative seasonal outdoor activities that go beyond the typical options. So let's see what it comes up with. As you can see right here, my prompt is already crafted and set it up right here in the input box. And then here we go. Alrighty, so here are the following activities that ChatGPT had generated. So you can see right here, the process is quicker. There we go. Once it's done, let's look around in each of the seasons and their list of activities. One right here is kayak or canoe bird watching. Another one right here is blossom picnic and sketching sessions. As you can see right here, each of the activities has more details. To know more on the activity for the summer, one's right here, full moon paddleboarding. Another one is riverside floating picnic. For the fall, haunted historical walk and DIY bonfire and storytelling night. And the winter, frozen lake skating party, starlit snowshoeing or hiking. And yeah, these ideas of the activities are quite impressive. So yeah, we've got everything with each season, such activities that go beyond what's very typical of what you could do for each season. So these suggestions could seriously take any season to the next level. See, which is similar to what I just stated. So it looks like ChatGPT seasonal activity ideas might be our new go-to for adventure planning. All right, now that we have some seasonal ideas, let's take it a step further and ask ChatGPT to suggest activities based on fitness levels and personal interests. Whether you're into low key nature walks or high energy rock climbing, the idea here is to get personalized recommendations so you can enjoy something that matches your vibe, that is. So let's see how ChatGPT handles a more tailored approach. Now, here is my prompt example right over here. So you can see, I would say that matches varying fitness levels and personal interests. Sorry about that. Include options like beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels in each category, like nature, water, or mountain activities. And now, let's see if it balances activity levels with the different interests here with my prompt and with the results from ChatGPT. All right, here it is. First one, nature and wildlife exploration. Another one, water sports. Another one, mountain and high altitude activities. Okay, so once again, let's look through each of the categories and their list of activities, which were split into beginner level, intermediate level, and advanced level. So let's go one each of that. So first off, nature and wildlife exploration, one right here, bird watching, intermediate, geocaching. As you can see, what does this mean? It says discover hidden treasures using GPS coordinates. And advanced, backpacking adventures, or you could go for wildlife tracking, searching for animals in more remote areas. Quite risky, I must say, but it's all more fun and adventurous. It depends on you, that is. So another one, water sports. is snorkeling in shallow waters, or kayaking or canoeing. Intermediate, surfing lessons, or sailing, river tubing, or yep, river tubing. It means a relaxing but active way to explore rivers. And then there's the advanced, typical with the scuba diving. You could go on reefs or underwater caves. You can go windsurfing or kite surfing or whitewater rafting. Then going for the mountain activities, we have mountain walks or easy trail hikes, or go for picnics up on the mountains or cable car rides. Intermediate, paragliding. There we go. It needs a professional guide. Advanced, rock climbing, backcountry skiing or snowboarding. And yep, so these are spot on, I must say. We've got a range from beginner nature walks to advanced mountain biking or climbing. And yep, there's bouldering as well, skiing, snowboarding, just like it's stated right here, and even some cold water activities. See, just showed this earlier. And yep, it's great to see a ChatGPT considering both fitness levels and interests to help everyone find an adventure that suits them. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's move from activity ideas to actual locations. It's time to ask ChatGPT to suggest some hidden gems for outdoor adventures. Rather than sticking with well-known spots, well, we're looking for unique places that might offer a little something extra. This is perfect for anyone who wants to avoid the crowds and explore somewhere new, that is. So let's give ChatGPT a try and see what it can find. So first off, here's my prompt right here. Here's an additional prompt part that I added. It says hiking, camping, and scenic viewpoints for the spots for activities. So mainly for unique or lesser known locations in Colorado. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT would suggest. Now ChatGPT is working its magic right now. All right, here are the list of the places it recommends. Okay, look at that. Now, let's look down a few right here. So one is Zapata Falls, located near Alamosa. So it's a short, moderate hike from the trailhead, 25-foot cascade hidden inside a rock crevice. In the winter, waterfall freeze, creating a stunning natural ice sculpture. One right here, Wheeler Geologic Area near Creed. This surreal landscape features eerie rock spires and formations. Okay, accessible via a challenging 14-mile hike or a bumpy four-wheel drive trail. It's a unique spot for hikers who want a blend of geology and solitude. Right. Great, thrilling, I must say. Okay, one right here, Vallecito Lake, tucked away near Durango. I don't know how to pronounce that. Vallecito Lake is a quieter destination with hiking trails, camping spots, and plenty of scenic views around the crystal clear lake. The nearby, oh gosh, I don't know how to pronounce it. Weminuche Wilderness offers even more adventure opportunities. And yeah, look at that. So, from secluded mountain lakes to little known forest trails, ChatGPT really delivered here. These hidden gems could make for some unforgettable adventures. Just goes to show sometimes AI can find those off the beaten path treasures we're all looking for. Who knew ChatGPT could help plan such detailed adventures, right? From unique activity suggestions to personalized plans and even location insights, this AI tool definitely adds value to adventure planning. So, next time you're thinking of heading outdoors, consider letting ChatGPT handle some of the planning for you.